How to use ChatGPT to make money, 3 methods. Let's dive right into it. Method 1. Build out websites for customers. See my example in the past video. Use AI to generate cool artwork for landing pages, or create your own online store to sell goods. This is an example of building out an online sustainable shoe store. You'll use DALL E to generate artwork for the website and ChatGPT for ideas. Method 2. Head to Fiverr and create an account to offer services that can be done by ChatGPT. In this case, I'll give the example of using ChatGPT for creative writing services. Let's take the example of writing a science fiction story and see what ChatGPT can come up with. Start by asking ChatGPT to create an outline. Simply copy and paste the story onto a Google Doc and edit it as you wish, but ChatGPT will do the majority of the work. Method 3. Create an ebook and sell it online on various platforms, or sell it as a service on Fiverr. In this case, we'll use the importance of time management as an example. If you're interested in learning more, consider subscribing.